On your machine, you should know your operating system. Then visit wireshark.org/download.html. From this page, you can download respective Wireshark installer. For me, I'm using ARM64. Let me download ARM64. Now the download has completed. Let me go and open. Let me run this as an administrator to install the setup. As soon as the welcome prompt is coming, then click on next, then accept the note, then go next. Here, select the components in case you like additional components. If you don't have any specific additional requirement, then you can go ahead and click on next. Make sure you would like to need desktop or startup menu. I don't want anything, so I go with the default Wireshark folder. Here, the npcap is an important component. If you install without npcap, you may lose option to take the network card capture. If you have only used case to read the Wireshark packet capture files, then you can ignore this. But if you are like to take packet capture, npcap is important. This npcap driver helps to capture the packets from network interface. I don't want USB, then click install. You need reboot to take the network card effect. Go ahead and reboot now. As soon as you open the Wireshark, you will see the open page. In this page, you have option to select network interface card. In this interface, you have option to select Ethernet and adapter loopback interface. From Ethernet, if you select Ethernet, then it immediately start capturing the traffic from your existing interface. So as you can see, this traffic having many information include what packets are uh, going in and outside from this Windows machine. So to stop the capture, you click on the red icon and stop it. Now you can go ahead and analyze. It has valuable information like source IP, destination IP, protocol, then the Ethernet frames like frame details, the source port, destination port, MAC address, additional information. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.